Guys, I got a 2014 Audi A5. I'm installing an amp. As you can see right here, the factory amp is right over there. What I did, I used the white, yellow, positive, brown, yellow is negative, or blue, yellow, if it's got one of them. So it's white, yellow, definitely a positive, and then also there's a blue, yellow if this is not, if the brown, yellow is not existed. Or if you have a premium amplifier, you'll be looking at, yeah, if you have a premium, well, actually, don't worry about it. Just use what I'm using right now, you know. For premium, you'll be looking at pin 25 and 30. So it's not one of these. It's not a non-premium. So what I did, I ran speaker wire. I'm going to use a T-tab and plug it in here. People said, oh, it's going to come loose. No, this is a good T-tab. I don't care how good the bass is or how loud it is, it ain't going to come off. So I take the T30 right here, pull it up right there, right there. There's T30. Just take it off right there and run the speaker wire all the way to the amp over there. I'm going to be putting amp over there. And I'm going to be running a positive power wire from here to there. Actually, I was thinking about this side. I might do it this side. And let me see. I should do that. So I'm going to look at over here. Yeah, I'm going to do this side. I'm going to run a fuse holder right here. Leave the fuse holder right there. And run all the way over there since my amplifier is, the power wire is in that side. So let's go ahead and do this thing right here. It's pretty simple. Well, it's not simple, but I just want to make sure it's not going to be too long of a video. I bought has his own wiring harness. It's GC BGC-44B, which is a 4-gauge harness. Use this wire. Here, this is for a smaller amp, so it's not made for something crazy loud, but this is good for what he's gonna have, and he's planning to upgrade anything like that. He might need another battery for it. And here is the ground, so I'm gonna just do for the 4,000 watt amplifier. I basically push the 4-gauge through this hole right there, because I don't want to put it over here, because when they put something like that, it's going to pinch to the ground. It might not be a good idea to do that. So you want to pull the wire out. Now what I did, I ran the fuse holder. I'm going to keep it right here, tied it to this piece right here. Actually, I'm going to tie it to the ground right here. Right there, and then I took the this two Torx T30 out, and then run the wire up here. That way, shove it in for now. Don't put that T30 on the other side right there. Don't put it back in yet. I try to do the ground. I don't want to do around here because I know the gas line is gonna go somewhere around there. I'm not exactly sure, but I did look over here. I didn't see any gas line running around here. It go to the gas tank, so I'm not sure where. So, but I did look around here. There's no gas line, so I'm gonna make a ground right about here, right there. I'm gonna sand it with the right here. Sand it good like that. So now I'm gonna use 2 soft copper screws. Since we're doing something like this, it's nothing major. This amp say 4,000 watt, but it's probably pushing only 1,200 watts. So I'm not gonna try to do the pro way. So if you're looking at it, I kind of move it a little bit over here, so that way I can be pretty sure where I'm, because if I put it over here, when you close this thing, you're gonna hit it. So I kind of see how that is. Kind of move it back that way off a little bit, so you can put this back in. Now I'm usually use this is called ferrule. It's basically you wrap all the wire and push it in there, and then kind of make it look neat like this. So that way all this copper ain't sticking out. This is pretty cheap if you buy them. It's really cheap. I think it's about 15 cents each. Like I said, all you have to do is poke it in and then tighten with this Allen, and then that be it right there. It looks really neat, nice, and good. So now if you're looking at the I'm using a LC2i. This is probably the best to do on like BMW, Mercedes, Audi. This is about anywhere from $89 to $139 depending on which one you bought. So you got the ground right here, you got the power 12-volt constant, and then you want to hook up to the remote output to the amp, so it can send a 12-volt to amp to turn it on. Now I'm going to run that speaker wire that I ran from the amplifier. Come over here, over there, and then I'm cut right here. I'm just going to run to the one channel right there, the left side. So to summarize everything, I got this hooked up to the positive, run it back over here, and if you can pull this out here, I zip tied it right there, and then I put the positive to the white yellow, and then the negative to the brown and yellow, and the white running through there all the way over there. I gotta clean it up after this. I'm not gonna cut this wire yet. I cut it later when I get it to the amp. I'm gonna put the red to the positive and then the black to the negative. I'm gonna do the same thing as the other side. Big long spool of wire. You see this right here? What I did, I just pulled it out straight like this, right here, and kind of leave it down here, kind of up here, and then cut it right there. Cut both of them together right there. So now I got extra wire right there. I don't have to cut 3 times. After everything's done, this is what it looks like, and I did put the to hold it so it won't move. What you call that, L bracket from a kicker, because I'm a kicker dealer anyway. This Comp C, I wish he got like a Comp R or something like that. It's better. I mean, I hardly sell much of these because I had a lot of problem with them, this model, except the Comp R. I had a lot of good reviews on it. I mean, I sold hundreds of them and hardly much come back. I mean, there's one customer keep coming back, but other than that, I mean, I think he got his amp got a short problem or something. AC spike, it's called. It keep blowing the speaker every 6, 7, 8 months. Maybe he tried to blow it and so he can get another new one, but I don't know. I replaced them 3 times and I'm like, I can't do it because, I mean, it's the same problem with your amp. It had a problem. But other than that, yes, it's ready to go. It sounds good. I mean, I'm not gonna say it sounds great. It sounds good.